But indeed, talking about volatility, then NASDAQ will be the best index to play with, and we can see a huge amount of swing on both the side. And let me tell you that it is still volatile. It is just how you look the index right now. If you are looking at NASDAQ, so this is the weekly chart, and we have seen that this one is the 100-day moving average, and 12,879 was the level which NASDAQ has defended yesterday, and it has a huge move. But story is a bit different. Let's go to the monthly chart and let us see what do we have here. And here the 20-day moving average will be, so the 20-day moving average we have here is 13,506. This is the green line, and right now NASDAQ is trading at 13,420, which means technically it is trading below the 20-day moving average if you are looking at the monthly chart. So what does that mean? So let us discuss about the trend. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. So monthly chart is going to be the best source to understand the trend. But before analyzing the chart, just focus on the indicator. So this is the indicator we have here. Now talking about MACD, there is a clear trend which is on the negative side. The stochastic RSI is also falling, and rest of the indicators either showing negative trend or already shown the trend that will be negative. So if you simply want to understand this trend, you will have couple of levels to look at. You need not to do some extraordinary things. And the trend which we are going to look at, let's go to the line chart rather than the candlestick chart. So what do we have here? Okay, least, what do you have as a least trend or the support which we can consider as our big support, from where we can consider some sort of a base building, right? So this is what we have here on the upside, as I told you, and this is on the downside. Now if you are looking at this trend, so the big support is, I would say, still far away. So the range on the downside that we are looking here right now, instead of this huge spikes, is in between 9,500 and 10,800. So this is the range or the level that we are considering as our next big support. And let me tell you, what I am analyzing here is the monthly chart. So the monthly chart and its trend, more specifically the indicators and movement and the credibility, is very strong. I'm not talking about the hourly or the daily chart, which can move significantly on hourly basis, but this chart, more specifically when you're talking about the weekly or monthly chart, the credibility of this chart is extraordinarily high. So if there is a change in a trend, you need to brace it, you need to accept it, and whatever is happening on hourly basis, that's a different thing. But what the chart is showing is what's going to happen in the upcoming weeks and months. So if you are looking for a big support, this is the range that we are going to consider as our big support, which is in between 9,500 and 10,800. Although it's a big range, but yes, because of the high volatility, this is what we have. So you need to be a bit more concerned about the current range as well as the trend, and it's not going to go away in a very short time. That's what I can say. So this is the end of the video. Thanks.